the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Your friends chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in all the details, specs, and all that good info about this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay, so lately in all of the wig reviews and videos that I do that I caught my own wig, I like to give you guys a subscriber shout out. So today's subscriber shout out is to my girl Jackie Ware. Shout out to you, boo. I really do appreciate you. You never miss a video. You always coming through with the love, and I just wanted to show you that I appreciate you so much. So shout out to you, boo. And if any of you guys would like a subscriber shout out, just make sure you are following the videos, liking them, and commenting down below, and you will get a subscriber shout out, honey. So okay, now let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, honey, the unit that I am wearing today was caught with my own points, and I know you guys know I like to give myself a good shout out when I cop a unit with my own points, honey. So shout out to you, Chrissy, for copping you another unit with your own points. Now, the unit that I am wearing is by Outre. Child, I gotta step out of the Outre box because I'm like in an Outre bubble these days. Okay, I gotta step outside of that bubble. But Outre just been coming through, honey. So the unit I'm wearing is by Outre. It is from their Melted Hairline collection. It's a lace front wig, and I do have it in the style Rafaella. Hey, Rafaella. So I do have it in the style Rafaella, and it is in the color DR2 BL Brown Sugar. These type of units, they are lace partings, but they're like frontal lace parting wigs. So they like a T-part wig. And it says frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. Redesigned comfort ear contour. Let me show you the yells, honey. Okay. Baby hairs included. And pre-attached wide elastic band. It says HD transparent lace. And it says heat resistant fiber, high, safe up to 400 degrees. And then on the inside it is showing Miss Girl wearing the color DR4 Golden Honey. And honey, she is looking golden. And it's showing the color DRFF Chocolate Truffle and the color DR Red Velvet. And it's just talks about the melted hairline and gives you more information, and on the back it has the special colors. So this is what it looks like on the stock card. And I really wanted that color because, honey, it looks so good on her. But you guys know the stock card color or whatever, the color the model is wearing is always going to be the first to go. Like, y'all don't be playing. Y'all can save some for the rest of us, okay? But, yeah, she is wearing that color, and that is the DRFF Chocolate Truffle. And then on the inside, it's showing her wearing the 3 other colors that I named, if you can see it. But she looks good in all of them, honey, okay? Oh, girl is slaying. She is so freaking pretty. Anyways, y'all, okay, so with this a wig, honey, this is definitely, in my opinion, a good water wave dupe, honey, okay? It's lightweight like a water wave unit, so in my opinion, it's a good water wave dupe. It has that wet sort of look that the water wave units have, which I always kind of call like a wet and wavy sort of hair. That is the vibe that this unit is giving. It's an excellent dupe. Like, they did their thing with making these waves look like a good human hair unit. As far as shedding and tangling, I did run my fingers through it, and I would hit a snag here and there, but it wasn't anything bad. That's not to say at some point I don't believe she will tangle. I believe she will tangle like a mofo soon, okay? I just do. When I get a curly synthetic wig, I just expect at some point that she will tangle. I just feel like that kind of just comes with it. I just kind of feel like that just kind of comes with the territory of long, full synthetic wigs. Like, you just gotta, you gotta take the good with the bad. I mean, it is what it is. And as far as shedding, I've not noticed any shedding. Like, she may shed at some point, but I haven't noticed any, like, straight out of the gate, honey, okay? As far as it being big head friendly, I feel like this unit is extremely big head friendly. I am a medium cap size, but when I consider a unit a big head friendly unit when I have to adjust the straps to make it work. If I have to adjust the straps, then I feel like it's big head friendly. If I put on a unit and it's snug on me, then I feel like it's small head friendly. You know what I mean? So that's kind of what I base that off of, but I am an average cap size, so honey, do with that what you want to do with it, girl, okay? Do with that what you want to do with it. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go about this unit. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about Oh Girl, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, honey, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so I am really feeling this unit. I think it is a gorgeous wig. My lace is lifting, like maybe I should have used a different spray, but other than that, the wig is gorgeous. Like, you don't have to tweeze it. You don't, like, it's a good, just really nice unit. Like, I have no issues with it whatsoever. And I do love that it's a T-part wig because it gives the illusion of a frontal without wearing a frontal. And I do believe you could also wear this wig glueless if you wanted to, which is also an added bonus. So I am definitely feeling this wig. I have no issues with it whatsoever. I feel like it's a great water wave dupe, and water waves units has become one of my favorite sort of wigs, like textures. So I really love that it's a great water wave dupe. Like, in case you don't want to spend the coins, honey, okay? In case you don't want to spend the coins, you can just get one of these, which is, I think, under $40 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you can get one of these that's under $40, save coins, honey, and go to your event, and nobody will be none the wiser, in my opinion. I think the wig is perfection. I think it is gorgeous. I have no issues with it. I like it. I think she's a look. I think she's a vibe, and I think she will look even more, like give you more of that natural sort of human hair vibe if it was in a natural color. Like, I really love this wig. Like, y'all did that, girl, okay? Oh, you did that. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I have no issues with it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. If you own this unit, if you like this unit as much as I do, let me know down below in the comments, because your girl needs to know, okay, honey? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. All right, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. I am interested to know. And I want to go ahead and say, like, despite the fact that I say at the beginning of these type of videos that I purchased them with my own coins, I still get comments like, they send you the good hair. Child, they don't know who I am. I am buying this as Christina Brown, not Disastrous Beauty Girl. Okay, they have no idea who I am. So it may just be a bad batch that you guys get. I don't know. I ain't got nothing to do with none of the things, girl. Okay, I don't know what to tell you. I bought this wig with my own points. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there because I get, you be surprised at the comments I get. But anyways, y'all, that is it. Let me know down below what you guys think. And if this unit is available, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yes, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm not IG and Facebook, child. I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I am Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous